Hello aspirants, welcome to Root Support Academy. In today's session, let's discuss some simple problems on coding and decoding. Coding and decoding is all about playing with alphabets. Once you're familiar with the alphabet sequence, their order and their positions both in forward manner and in backward manner, then it will be very easy for you people to tackle various problems on this topic coding and decoding. So here I've written all the alphabets and have given numbers to them starting from 1 to 26 in both in forward manner and again 1 to 26 in the backward manner. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A to Z alphabets ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು and their positions ಯಾವ alphabet ಯಾವ number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ that we have to know. Okay, so example A has position 1. Adhe if we take from backwards, if we start studying and solving problems, Z is at number 1. So once we know how to number them and which alphabet comes before which and after which, it's very easy to tackle problems related to coding and decoding. So aspirants, let's look at the first question. If good, G-O-O-D, good, is coded as H-P-P-E, then how will you code B-O-L-D, bold? Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ G-O-O-D, good, is coded as HPPE. So in that same code, other language use ಮಾಡಿ, how will we code bold? Okay, it's very easy, very simpler. Just write off G-O-O-D, good. Okay, one place forward ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, one place ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. After G, what do you have? H. So for G, I'm writing H. After O, what comes after O? P. Again, what comes after O? P. After D, what do you have? E. Okay. So, yen series idral follow madidare is just +1, +1, +1 and +1. They have just moved one place forward. So, ide same method now use madi. We have to find out the answer for bold. B-O-L-D, bold. What comes after B? Next is C. After O, what do you have? You have P. After L, what do we have? L. And then M. After D, what comes? Obviously, E. So again, in this manner, we have found out +1, +1, +1, +1. How simple this problem is that you have your forward series and easily you could just get the code. And in the options, if you have C, P, M, E, you just take that option. Okay, so next we have, if the word fact is coded as IDFW, then how will you code deep? Let's solve it using the same method. F-A-C-T F-W, right? So we have to first understand ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಯಾವ series use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ +1, +2, +3. Okay, so F, if we see F 1, 2, 3 +3, you get I. Again same, A +3 you get D, C +3 F, T +3. Where is T here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ +3 series continuously use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Using the same one, we have to find out for deep. D-E-E-P, deep. Okay. So, what do you get? D +3. 1, 2, 3. You get G. Okay. Options, if you come back and see, these are the 3 options where you have G. Allah. So, you can easily eliminate first option. Next, we go to the next one, E. Okay. 1, 2, 3, what do you get? You get H. Again, obviously, same you get H. G, H, H. Yeah, optionally G, H, H is there, obviously this one. So, even if you don't find out for P, it's okay. You can directly take for G, H, H. So, easily using the elimination method also, you can solve such problems. Okay, so next we have, if WORD word is coded as 2315184, then how will simple 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 be coded as? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, the same words whatever we've been using ಅದನ್ನ ಆ word position ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು numbers they have represented. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, word 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 is coded as 2, 3. Okay, 23 ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ what can you see? What is the position of W? Okay, when we go in forward manner. W has number 23. O, okay, O is having what number? O is given as 15. So easily we know that whatever position is that number in, okay, are same kottidare. Ade use ಮಾಡಿ if we see for simple, okay, what is the number for S? S is given as 19. So optionally 1, 9 first there, option A and option B. So these two you will easily eliminate, okay. Next, 19. After 19, what do you have? I. I number in kottidare, I is given as 9. So again you have 19 and then 9, okay. Next, what do you have? M. What is the number of M? 13, okay. So 19, 1 and 13. So option B is your correct answer. Wherever the alphabet is there, the exact number is given as it is. So this is the simplest way of representing using numbers.